how could we have another compelling staging of boys and girls champs and the Maverick not select my moment of the championships? And it's not a KC or Edwin Allen moment. This moment or sequence of moments belong to Mushet High out of Trelawney. The 200 meters for Class 2 boys, where Johan Romaldo Smythe decimated the field to win the half-lap event with flair and style. He then proceeded to run halfway around the track. On his way, he called along his schoolmate, Shania Douglas, who moments earlier imperiously beat back the pre-race favorite to win the Class 2 equivalent for girls. Both Mushet High champions proceeded to sprint towards the coach of the team, who happens to be the father of Smythe. And then they all hugged and embraced in a most touching moment of glory. And look, this was a celebration, not just a victory for these two athletes and their school. This was a celebration of victory for all small, underprivileged and underfunded schools and coaches. That was my Maverick moment of all moments of Champs 2024. You want more?